What is the capital of Sweden? Option is A. Oslo, B. Stockholm, C. Copenhagen, D. Helsinki. Answer is option B. Stockholm. Did you know, Stockholm is built on 14 islands connected by 57 bridges, making it a picturesque city spread across waterways.
What is the capital of Poland? Option is A. Lodz, B. Krakow, C. Wroclaw, D. Warsaw. Answer is option D. Warsaw. Did you know, Warsaw's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site meticulously reconstructed after being heavily damaged during World War II?
Which city is the capital of Denmark? Option is A. Oslo, B. Stockholm, C. Copenhagen, D. Helsinki. Answer is option C. Copenhagen. Did you know, Copenhagen is known for its biking culture, with over 350 kilometers of bike lanes and more bicycles than cars in the city.
What is the capital of Hungary? Option is A. Budapest, B. Vienna, C. Prague, D. Bratislava. Answer is option A. Budapest. Did you know, Budapest is often called the city of spas due to its abundance of thermal springs and bathhouses?
Which city serves as the capital of Austria? Option is A. Budapest, B. Vienna, C. Prague, D. Bratislava. Answer is option B. Vienna. Did you know, the Viennese coffee house culture is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity?
What is the capital of Ireland? Option is A. Dublin, B. Belfast, C. Cork, D. Galway. Answer is option A. Dublin. Did you know, Dublin is famous for its literary heritage, being the birthplace of renowned writers such as James Joyce, Oscar Wilde, and Samuel Beckett?
Which city is the capital of Belgium? Option is A. Brussels, B. Antwerp, C. Ghent, D. Bruges. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
What is the capital of the Netherlands? Option is A. Amsterdam, B. Rotterdam, C. The Hague, D. Utrecht. Answer is option C. The Hague. Did you know, the city's Madurodam is a miniature park featuring scaled-down replicas of famous Dutch landmarks?
Which city serves as the capital of Switzerland? Option is A. Geneva, B. Zurich, C. Bern, D. Basel. Answer is option C. Bern. Did you know, Bern's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and cobblestone streets?
What is the capital of Finland? Option is A. Stockholm, B. Oslo, C. Copenhagen, D. Helsinki. Answer is option D. Helsinki. Did you know Helsinki is known for its design heritage, with iconic landmarks such as the Funlandia Hall and the Kamppi Chapel of Silence showcasing Finnish architectural prowess?
Which city is the capital of Romania? Option is A. Bucharest, B. Sofia, C. Budapest, D. Belgrade. Answer is option A. Bucharest. Did you know the Palace of the Parliament in Bucharest is one of the largest administrative buildings in the world, built during the communist era?
What is the capital of Croatia? Option is A. Belgrade, B. Zagreb, C. Ljubljana, D. Sarajevo. Answer is option B. Zagreb. Did you know Zagreb's upper town Gornji Grad is home to historic landmarks such as St. Mark's Church and the Lotorskak Tower, offering panoramic views of the city?
Which city serves as the capital of Slovakia? Option is A. Belgrade, B. Zagreb, C. Ljubljana, D. Bratislava. Answer is option D. Bratislava. Did you know Bratislava's medieval old town is characterized by its narrow streets, historic buildings, and charming atmosphere, making it a popular tourist destination?
What is the capital of Ukraine? Option is A. Kiev, B. Warsaw, C. Prague, D. Budapest. Answer is option A. Kiev. Did you know the city's Lavra Monastery complex is a UNESCO World Heritage Site comprising numerous churches, caves, and museums?
Which city is the capital of Belarus? Option is A. Kiev, B. Warsaw, C. Minsk, D. Bucharest. Answer is option C. Minsk. Did you know Minsk is known for its Soviet-era architecture, with wide boulevards, monumental buildings, and vast public squares?
What is the capital of Serbia? Option is A. Belgrade, B. Zagreb, C. Sarajevo, D. Skopje. Answer is option A. Belgrade. Did you know Belgrade is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe, with traces of human settlement dating back to ancient times?
Which city serves as the capital of Slovenia? Option is A. Belgrade, B. Zagreb, C. Ljubljana, D. Sarajevo. Answer is option C. Ljubljana. Did you know the Ljubljana dragon is a symbol of the city, appearing on the city's coat of arms and various landmarks?
What is the capital of Lithuania? Option is A. Tallinn, B. Riga, C. Vilnius, D. Warsaw. Answer is option C. Vilnius. Did you know Vilnius Old Town is one of the largest surviving medieval old towns in Northern Europe and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site?
Which city is the capital of Latvia? Option is A. Tallinn, B. Riga, C. Vilnius, D. Warsaw. Answer is option B. Riga. Did you know Riga's historic center is renowned for its Art Nouveau architecture, with over one-third of the buildings in the area displaying this distinctive style.
What is the capital of Estonia? Option is A. Tallinn, B. Riga, C. Vilnius, D. Warsaw. Answer is option A. Tallinn. Did you know, Tallinn's medieval old town is one of the best preserved in Europe, with cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and Gothic spires.